empty, all I gotta do is blow a kiss. Even so
Ready then. So let's have a good time, bro. Hey you, what's up everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we see where 50/50 gave us a brand new music video. So this music video is called Pookie. So that's what we're gonna react to today. Alright? So without further ado, let's see what's up.
I'm your Pookie in the morning, you're my Pookie in the night. 너만 보면 super crazy, oh my, 어떻게 survive.
Bro, just imagine, right? You have a female, right? She's your Pookie in the morning, she's your Pookie in the night. And every time she comes out with her antics. That's love, bro. That's definitely love.
No matter what I do, 하나 둘 셋, give me that cue. Cause I'm your Pookie, 두근두근 gets the sign. That's right, that fresh new lipstick, 피게 오늘의 color.
50/50, they never missed. They never missed a song, bro. Every song they dropped, it's a banger, bro. And it's all relatable. It's all music that everyone can listen to. It's a very family music. Alright? So this is the reason why I love 50/50. Their music is a very good inspirational music.
꽃인 걸송 느낌 공기도 달라. 잊지 않지, all I gotta do is blow a kiss. Even so taste sweet, 이건 G2, I never felt like this. Cause I get what I want and I want what I get like every time.
Yo, so you know, if a female can get everything she wanted and get everything she wanted every time, bro, she's in demand. Alright? And once you love that female, everything she asks for, you're gonna provide it unto her. Alright? That's what a man's job should. Right? Provide for the female. So if she wants sex, if she wants love, if she wants tender care, bro, that's your thing. Right? Never hesitate to give her what she desires. And that's what she's basically saying, bro. Definitely.
Cause I glow when I roll out of bed, 너무 같아, I'm living my life. 지루한 것좀 따윈 no more. 이제는 어쩜 없이 I'm in nowhere. Pookie in the morning, I'm your Pookie in the night. 너만 보면 super crazy, 두근두근 that's the vibe.
Yo, it's a vibe. The dance is a vibe, bro. The music is a vibe. The message is a vibe, bro. Ah! Let's love her, bro. Let's love her. Let's love each other, bro. Let's be that one Pookie daily.
No matter what I do, 하나 둘 셋, give me that cue. 그래, I'm your Pookie, 헷갈려도 I'm insane.
Who else is feeling happy listening to this? It doesn't matter what she does. Alright? She's just the Pookie whenever time you need her or she needs you. Right? Definitely, bro. Definitely. I'm feeling the vibe! Rip, rip, rip!
We can turn all that day to a good time. 쉽지 않지, all I gotta do is blow a kiss. Even so
Ready then. So let's have a good time, bro. Let's have a good time. Let's have a good time of having love, you know, giving a kiss, you know, caressing, feeling, having emotional feeling, bro. Let's have an intertwined love, bro. Because you see, what this song does, it's like it's making people feel loved. And this is why I love 50/50 so much. Their music is always about love. Right? Nothing less, nothing more. It's just about love. Right? And if we have love, bro, if we have love for that person, then eventually it will never fade, bro. It is always gonna stay realistic. It's always gonna be real, bro. Right? Because guess what? You're my Pookie in the morning, you're my Pookie in the night. Right? It doesn't matter when, but you will always remain my Pookie. Definitely. Definitely. And these women, they are gorgeous, bro. So who wouldn't? Who wouldn't?
sweet, you can see 2A, I never felt like this. Cause I get
Just imagine, right? You have a girl, right? And she comes to you, right? And you know you're there anywhere, and she says, "Hey, I need to make love." Why would we hesitate? That woman is yours, bro. She wanna have pleasure with you because guess what? Everything she wanted every momentum, she gets it. Because guess what? She's your Pookie. And Pookie should be treated like a Pookie. Every time. Every darn time.
같은 따윈 no more 이제는 어쩜 어색한 we know it You're my Pookie in the morning You're my Pookie in the night 너만 보면 super crazy to
Rap. Yeah. Lovely music. Lovely music. They never missed. They never miss a beat. They never miss a song. They never miss a title, bro. Right? Definitely not. Pookie's winning right now. And once you're a Pookie, you're definitely a winner, bro. Trust me. 50-50 is giving that time of day, man. Stupendous music.
두근두근 get the vibe Don't matter what I do 하나 둘셋 give me that cue Cause I'm your Pookie 헷갈려도 I'm a sign
It doesn't matter what she does. Right? Because why? She's your Pookie every time. Yo, I would love a female who can be my Pookie, bro. Definitely, bro. Definitely. These females, gorgeous, lovely, looking great, look like they are smelling great. You know, everyone is just so gorgeous, bro. Very outlandish. So definitely I would be type of guy who those women really requires. So yeah, they are doing excellently. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Look, this song is perfect, right? This song is perfect. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, you know, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another 50-50 reaction, I guess. Peace. Stay safe, guys. Remember to give thanks for life, bro. All right?